Key machine learning topics that you need to know. A study of ML involves teaching computers how to learn, e.g., to do a particular task and act like humans. Linear algebra. The branch of mathematics, known as linear algebra, deals with representations of data in vector spaces and matrices. Python. Programming in Python is a top-class language, which can be used for a wide range of applications. Python is an excellent choice for data science and machine learning. Probability and statistics. Probability consists of the likelihood that an event will occur. Statistics deals with the handling of data through statistical analysis techniques and methods. Calculus. The subject of calculus is the study of variables and how they change. Calculus examines variables in infinitely small pieces called infinitesimals. Algorithms. An algorithm is a set of unambiguous instructions, a sequence of steps that help a computer accomplish a specific task. Thanks for watching the video. Check the description for details. For more, follow www.homeworkjoy.com.